What's up, everybody? Hopefully you can see me. The Suck My Nasdaq Kid is back. You might have noticed that I put a video up a couple of days ago and it was taken down. It's because I had a nice soundtrack of music going in the background. You know, just a musical accompaniment for the video. But now that I'm getting paid for these YouTube videos, I guess the restrictions have gone up another level. So we're going to be doing these without any music. So just imagine there being some reggae or some music playing in the background right now. Just wanted to say, well, and the video was phenomenal. I mean, I had fireworks, charts were flying all over the place. I had a naked girl doing interpretive dance to what I was saying. It was fantastic. She was moving and doing contortions. It was phenomenal, and they took it down. So you missed a lot. So let's catch up. The market never goes down, and here we are. It's the Friday after Thanksgiving, notoriously a pretty good day. Usually we rally into the close, but we saw something peculiar today. We saw the VIX increasing finally, and the market not holding on to its gains. Take a look at AGIO for an example. That was the one stock I traded today. Biotech stock that a couple of our guys in the room were destroying it on. And once it broke under VWAP at 107 and change, became an idea for a short. I didn't short it till 103.50, and then it went negative 102.50, and then plummeted all the way down to 100. I'm not going to say I held the short the whole time. I got in and out 3 or 4 times for small losses, and then I held on for the last move, which kind of made back all the money and then some. But we're seeing that in the market right now. Solars are getting hit. Your bios had a really tough day today. Now, can't put too much emphasis on what action you saw today, but normally it's a good day. And normally the weekend of a holiday weekend starts the following week. That's a lot of words for what I could have just said. The day after a holiday weekend, usually we have a rally that continues. So very interested to see what happens on Monday. Market couldn't hold on to its gains, so that's one thing. Alibaba finally having a hard time at these levels. Apple finally stopped going up. Baidu hit a little of a brick wall. Tesla. So now we got the bios coming in. Your solars having some trouble with the oil stocks. Stocks that are going down like rig with no... nobody wants to own these things. So a lot of sectors getting punished, and the market continues to go up. Not only do I think the market is disconnected from reality, obviously, not only is the market disconnected from anything that makes sense anymore, but apparently the QQQ is completely disconnected from the stock market because that stock seems to go up, the QQQ, even when the market's not even doing anything. You didn't even have Apple and Google and Microsoft and Intel and all those stocks doing well today, and the Q still managed to put in a gain. So there's really no reason not to own these. I mean, we could pull back, but I don't think the Qs are breaking 90. Probably, I don't want to say ever, but at this point, that last pullback in October might be the significant lows for the next 18 months to 2 years. And again, if we rally to 120, the QQQ has already surpassed my target for 2014. So my target for next year was to tack on another 20%. So around 121, 122, and then get around 143 somewhere, March or April. But again, we'll address that again. I'd love to see the market pull back. There are some stocks that are pulling back. U.S. Steel has found nothing but trouble since their good report, and looked like that stock was breaking out. But more importantly is what we're going to do together as a community. Hope you guys are going to stick with me in my next venture. It's going to be more of an alert system. If I like something, usually what happens is my day trades are based on a lot of reversals and pivot points and blow off tops like the AGIO. And what I want to do is, instead of having you guys sit there glued to a computer all day, which I know most of you guys don't want to do, if I am doing a day trade, usually that day trade, if it's profitable, will turn into a swing trade. So I'll alert you to whether or not, I'll alert you to the day trade. I also alert you to the swing trade idea, and then I'll give you a brief description of what we like about it. And then if there needs to be some more elaboration, I will invite you to the chat room for the day which comes with the subscription fee for what we're trying to do here. So it's kind of be like a flash mob chat. All right, here, show up at this chat room at a certain time, and we're going to elaborate on the idea. So it's going to be a little bit, less active, I guess, but we will try to find you ideas. Hopefully you're going to stick around, and if you still want to learn how to trade, I will spend a couple of days with you drilling you on everything that I know, and then, if you want to continue your studies with me, it's on just basically like I'm a math tutor now. I'm your stock tutor. So either we do it Skype or we set up a virtual chat room where I show you my screen and we have a more of a one-on-one basis, because I think it's really best to learn like that if you want to go forward with this. Okay? And also remember, I always have a place for you to trade. I'm going to probably go take the Series 56 just to see if I could pass it, so that I could teach you guys how to pass it. Whether or not they keep the Series 56 intact, the Series 56 is the test that you have to take in order to trade in a prop firm. I think they might go away with it and just have everybody take the Series 7, which is the bigger broker exam. Just let me know what you want to do. Right now I'm kind of been in talks with a hedge fund guy that's been doing really, really well, and I might be just looking to raise money for him. So if you guys out there, if you know anybody with a couple of $1 million to throw around, I've got some guys I'd like to introduce you to. So, and we all get paid. So if your friend is a billionaire or a millionaire and he gives us some money or gives my friend some money, we all get finder's fees. That's how it works. So let me know. Let me know if you have any wealthy friends that want to put some money to work on a guy that's been, doing a pretty good job at making 12 or so % every year. Even in the down market, he's done pretty well. So steady as she goes is his motto, and it's been pretty good. It's more of a, you have to be an accredited investor and blah, blah, blah. We could talk about that at a later date. But more importantly, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. And send me an email. Again, I didn't respond to everybody's email that are wondering what's going to go happen next. When I have some more information, I'll relay that to you guys. All right, be well, be safe, and I'm going to try to record my own music, I guess, from now on, so I don't get in trouble. Speaking of that, we do have a song coming out, which I hope you guys will like, and please click on it 500,000 times so I can get paid $4 from YouTube. All right, have a good weekend.